see him. Oh, mess. It always happens at the worst possible time. Where did that egg come from? So I'm late for work, so I've got 3 options. 1, I can leave this and let Vegas the cat lick it up. 2, I can clean it with a mop and bucket now. Or 3, I can use a wet and dry vacuum to get rid of it quick smart. All right, so to find out what's the fastest approach here, I'm gonna have a competition with me, and Vegas the cat. This video is sponsored by the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum. It can mop and vacuum at the same time. It's got a 40-minute runtime on a full charge, and it can intelligently self-clean. You're so smart. Yes, you are. Ready? Let's go. Whoa! Okay, so while other Tim is still cleaning up, I'll take a moment to tell you about some of the other features of the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro. Not only does it wash and vacuum floors at the same time through its balanced pressure water flow system that uses fresh water to easily deep clean through tough and sticky mess, it's also got this bi-directional self-propulsion system, which is fun to use, but also less straining on your arms. It's got a really easy to use interface to control the functions, and it's even got its own app. Okay, we are done. The cat situation didn't quite work out the way we wanted it to, but I mean, Vegas never really stood a chance. He doesn't have opposable thumbs, sentience, and I mean, he's a cat. There's no question to me that the easiest way to clean up spills and most of your hardwood floors in your home is with a combined vacuum and mop like the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro. Look, check out the website for stockers if you're interested, and if you'd like to see more cool videos like this with cats and eggs for some reason, subscribe to us on YouTube and go to finder.com.au for more great tips. My name's Tim, and I am actually quite late for work, so I'm gonna dip. That's cool.